Just like fire, burning up the way. If I can light the world up for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway. Just like that.
You know, I don't know. Whoa! No worries, I can buff that out. Maybe we should just power this sucker down. Oh boy. What? So, what do I call you?
I suppose my proper designation is Warbot Defect B5429.
Maybe I'll just call you...
Steven!
Good morning, Patrick.
Is it morning already?
It sure is. And I'm singing...
I missed a snack. This busy schedule makes it hard to be me.
No, I'm not...
Remember, that core is nuclear, so be careful. What was that?
Nothing. We're good.
Warning. The core stabilizer offline.
I am the way you're talking.
I'm here to pick up my ship. I'll be there in 1 minute. Are you kidding? I'm on fire.
I don't know what I'm... You better stop! Bitch, stop!
Take anything you can dish out, so bring it on.
Okay, 2,000 more.
Your sense of direction is impeccable. Your sense of direction is impeccable. Your sense of direction is impeccable.
Look at this dude. No.
Can totally help.
Oh, I could not ask a civilian to get involved in something so dangerous.
No, I'm not just a civilian. The Rangers are actually my,
Buzz-looking alien!
Why do you think I have so many pictures of them?
But why are you not?
Amy, what are you doing? You guys are my friends.
Your evil friends. Stop sucking up.
Not my coolest moment, okay? I was confused. I thought I was doing the best thing for the galaxy.
Hey, you were doing the best thing for you.
Nobody asked you, Solitary Bill. Oh, real mature, guys.
Now you crossed the line.
Really?
Perhaps you should just apologize.
I'm sorry. Sheesh. Oh, that's more like it. Set aside their petty squabbles. They can... I'm calling my agent.
Never mess with the animators.
Lives at home 472. What's the matter? Don't like getting your butt kicked? What are you gonna do, cry to your mommy? Wait, are you really crying?
I can't do this.
Okay, cut.
Sure you can, Quark. Just sound out the big words, like you practice.
There's nothing here. Where's the eye-popping 3D? The CG explosion? Where's the dubstep?
Apologies, Captain. Everyone is out making the Ratchet and Clank movie. Drek has one more target on his list. With Captain Corp now working for the enemy, the Rangers need you more than ever. And I would like to offer my assistance in any way possible. Partner.
Disruption of the space-time continuum?
That is a funny story.
You're reckless. You're a loose cannon, and you're dangerous. That's my shtick.
So I just had to let you know. I just had to let you know. Swear to God, you're beautiful. Yeah.